Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a brand new hair unboxing. This wig is from Belize? I don't know. On Aliexpress. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but I'm going to put the actual name in the title and all of that description box. I bought this wig 100% myself with my own money. This video is not sponsored. If you all can't tell, my background is different. I recently moved to Portland, Oregon. So I threw on this wig. I didn't want to order any new hair because my address was going to be changing. So that's why I was like, okay, I gotta order a wig now. We're going to go ahead and get into this video and really talk about this hair. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Like I was saying, if you all can't tell, my background is a little different. So I moved to Portland, Oregon. So I didn't want to order any hair. So I just slapped on this old wig. This is from One More Hair, and I ended up cutting it because I wanted it a little shorter. I look really professional right now. And this is my first time filming on my iPhone 13 Pro Max, I think. So this is interesting. I like this. But we're going to go ahead and open this wig. It came super duper fast, y'all. It came 3 to 4 days. This is a 250% density wig, 32 inches. I didn't want anything just too long, but I still want it long. I've been a lot of the 40-inch wigs I've been getting haven't been just giving, and the length's over 32. So I was like, let me just get this one. But let me go ahead and open it for you all. But the description says that this is HD lace. I'm not expecting HD lace because, as you know, a lot of these companies really just be lying and it's not really HD. And also with the Chinese holiday, that's another reason I waited so late to order my hair, even though I wanted to come here with a fresh wig and all of that. I couldn't order because it was the Chinese New Year. But yeah, okay, this is a pretty big bag. It seems like it's kind of heavy, got a little weight to it, which is exciting. Okay, the bag says, "You are the beautiful girl." So let's see what we have here. Comes with lashes. Let me get off cinematic mode. I wanted to try it because this is my first time trying the phone, but y'all need to focus on something that's not just me. So yeah, let me get off this mode. 1 second. Okay. So it comes with lashes and a little edge control brush. So, okay, the lace looks pretty thin. I don't think it's HD from here, but it looks really easy to work with just looking at it through the bag. It's not shedding at all. Let's see. So if y'all know, I just did I did an unboxing on some rich girl hair, and all of their hair shed so bad that I didn't want to wear it. If you all know, I just did that video 2 weeks ago or something, and I don't want to wear it anymore. I went back to this hair I had 2 months ago. So here's the hair. It is it's a nice thickness. I didn't know I got straight. I really forgot because I ordered 2 wigs. Nice ends. This hair is actually really soft. Okay, it's thick, but it's not thick to where I think this is actually human hair. I think some rich girl might have been a blend, but this, I feel like it's actually human. I'm going to see, of course. I'm going to wear this hair and of course update you all on this hair. But I get good vibes from this hair, even though it's not the thickest hair I've ever seen. I'm not seeing any red fibers in it or anything like that. Let me take it off of this little thing. The ends are giving and all of that. They're a nice thickness, but not too thick to where it's suspicious. That's the problem I've been facing with that ho-ho hair and rich girl. I feel like it was so thick, it was a little suspicious. Scion Show 250% density was good. It wasn't a suspicious thickness, but yeah. Okay, so one thing I kind of peeped is, some wigs, when you get it, you get a lot of extra lace up here. And right here, you only, like, how often do you see yourself only getting like a little lace, like excess lace, right? Like, them giving you a little less lace is actually a really good sign that the lace is good and easy to work with. And it's actually like a good quality lace, because so if they are able to supply all this extra lace down here, that's a sign that the lace is probably really cheap. Like, you all see, so you see I'm holding it up, like, you can see through this lace pretty well. It looks good. You can see the little kitchen area and all of that. And okay, I forgot a big thing a lot of you all have been asking me about was, this is actually a real 13 by 4. This is a real 13 by 4. Like, okay. So that's one thing, like, I really want a nice side part and like a lot of layers and stuff. Is like the style I want. This makes me really happy. Like, when have I had a wig like this? I think it's been about 5 months since I had a wig that was actually a true 13 by 4. Like, all sides, it's actually a 13 by 4. So I'm pretty happy about that. Like, that's something you don't see every day. I gotta give this company their credit for that, because yeah. And on top of that, I think this lace is actually really good. It seems like really thin. I forgot how good this camera is now. It probably can really show you all how thin the lace is. But yeah, I mean, it looks like a really nice quality wig. I definitely would recommend getting 250% density, no matter how thick you usually like your hair, because this is a nice thickness. Like, it's not just like the thickest wig I ever experienced, but I think it's nice. I trust this wig. Some wigs are like too good when you get them to where it's like, why is this wig that thick, you know? That thick, also for the price you get. I've been noticing on Aliexpress is wigs that are less than, like, that aren't up to 40 inches are usually a little better. Or like, if they do sell wigs that are up to 40 inches, usually like the lengths 32 and down are a better quality than 40. They use like synthetic fibers in order to reach that 40 inches or whatever. But you know, I'm pretty happy with the way the wig is looking right now. Like, I can't really move the way I want to because I have this jacket on. 1 second. Like, I'm pretty happy with this wig so far. Like, it looks good, and I trust this lace. This seems like some really good stuff here. And that it being a true 13 by 4 is just like, that's revolutionary right now. That is impossible. But I'm going to, of course, install this wig and update you all. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you all. Bye, guys.